Make sure the printer is turned off. Disconnect the power cord. Open the top cover. Remove the 2 screws on the operation panel. Remove the operation panel. When doing this, remove the flexible cable that is connected to the operation panel. Remove the 2 screws on the front right cover. Remove the front right cover. Remove the 2 screws on the front of the printer. Remove the front center cover. Remove the front cover from the front center cover that you have removed. Attach the metal guide frame to the front center cover. Connect the connector of the peeler unit to the relay printed circuit board.
When doing this, make sure that the connector is fully inserted.
Open the peeler and attach it to the printer. When doing this, insert the protrusion of the peeler unit into the hole of the printer. Attach the screws. Attach the front center cover. When doing this, insert the claw of the front center cover into the holes of the printer.
Attach 1 screw, then affix the front center cover.
Attach the 2 remaining screws as well. Connect the flexible cable to the operation panel. When doing this, the blue side of the tip should be upwards. Attach the operation panel. When doing this, hook the claw at the bottom of the operation panel. Attach the operation panel so that the screw hole on the top is under the screw hole of the printer. Attach the 2 screws. Attach the front right cover. Load the paper. When doing this, make sure that there is no label on or ahead of the front sensor. When an adjustable sensor is selected, make sure there is no label on the adjustable sensor and ahead of the adjustable sensor. In addition, make sure that the mount-only part is fully pulled out. Lower the sensor arm. Push the head unit in until it makes a clicking sound. Insert the paper into the peeler. Close the top cover. Connect the power cord. Turn the power on. Press the feed button and check the peeler operation.